What's up guys, it's Jeffy X here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own Lego Kraken. And yeah, so you see, I decided to do this video because I realized that I got some more Lego pieces, and yeah, I have some rare pieces that you guys might not have. And yeah, so this is actually kind of tricky because there's this 2x2 jumper plate in this transparent orange. So that's really hard to find. That's one of the most rarest pieces in Lego. And yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how to actually make this giant beast out of Lego. Okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna get this 2x2 plate in red, and then you're gonna turn it over. So then when you turn it over, you're gonna get this 1x1, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a 1x1 hole with like a 1x1 stud with like a hole in it, and I couldn't really take this apart. Oh, it was really tricky. It took me, I spent 15 minutes on trying to take this apart, and in those 15 minutes I couldn't. So you're gonna get this spike piece and then stick it in this 1x1 plate in 1x1 stud in white, and then you're gonna make 4 of those for the teeth. So you're just gonna clip it in. Just like that. You can see this is gonna be the mouth of the Kraken. Now this took me about 3 whole days to make. So you guys better subscribe because I worked so hard on this. Got that crazy looking mouth done. Now we're gonna make the tentacles. So the tentacles of this monster are pretty extreme. I used quite a bit of pieces. And these are all the pieces. And yeah, so we're gonna make it. So get this 1x2 plate with this clip, and then you're gonna get these two 1x2 plates with clips on both sides, a ball, and yeah, the thing where the ball goes into. Just gonna clip them on like this, so it can turn. You can see. You're just gonna clip them all. Sometimes they don't really work, and the joints are really bad. It sometimes happens with me too, my Lego. So try to loosen it a bit. It's very annoying when this happens. So just gonna clip them all in together. Yeah, this is really hard. Yeah. So when you get this joint that's really stiff, I'm trying to fix it. I don't know why. It just gets really stiff. Look. Oh, that sounded bad. So then you're gonna get these 1x2 plates in red, but you're gonna turn this upside down. So you put those pieces on like this, and then you're gonna make 3 more of those, so you'll have 4 tentacles. And yeah. So you're gonna get the mouth piece that you made. Then you're gonna clip those tentacles all on. So there has to be 2 here. You're just gonna clip them on. Really, guys, that's simple. Basically, just clipping a bunch of tentacles on, you know? Think of it as clipping a bunch of tentacles. Kind of tricky. So then, yeah. So when you got those tentacles, well, be able to turn. like this, and yeah. So when you got those tentacles, just gonna. Now it's time to make the head. So the head, you're gonna get this 2 by 2 plate in red, and then I believe you're gonna get these 1 by 1 studs in black and just put them on. Right? I literally have no idea if I'm tripping out, or is this really all the pieces? Yeah. Oh, I was getting confused over the camera color. Since if you turn it like this, it kind of looks orange. So yeah, sorry about that. Got it mixed up. So you're gonna just put them together like that. And then you're gonna get these studs. And I hate to do this, but you have to clip them together. I hate putting studs together because they're so hard to get off. And you always get like these lines in the nails, like that thing is painful. Luckily that stopped happening to me because I use something called a brick remover. So you're gonna put them on like that. Like you're gonna get this 2 by 2 jumper plate in this transparent lava color, transparent orange, and just put it on. You're gonna get this 1 by 1 red towel and put it on. I believe that should be the Kraken head, right? Am I right? Yeah, I think it's. Am I tripping out? Did I do this correctly? Guys, put down in the comments below if I did this correctly, because I literally cannot remember. So then, you're done with your Kraken. Looks like pretty simple. That's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, or this guy will wake up in your bed.